Hi there, welcome. Luke Millard here with you, and in this video we'll go through the process of trading ASIMI and Bitcoin. So if you're unfamiliar or you're new to the Waves exchange, follow this video. We'll go through the entire process of how you can trade ASIMI and Bitcoin all right here on the Waves exchange, and I'll give you some other tips and helpful information to get you set up. So the first thing we need to do is log into our Waves exchange account, and you will need some other crypto in order to complete this transaction. So you can see I've got a bit of Bitcoin here. I have some Waves. Now the Waves are used for exchanging or any fees, sending, receiving, and exchanging on the Waves exchange. They only charge a very small amount, a cent per transaction or less, and so therefore it's a very cost-effective way to trade. However, you will need a small amount of Waves in order to complete your trades. Now you can get Waves in a couple of different ways. You can right here deposit Bitcoin or Waves into your account or other tokens like Ethereum. But if you were to deposit Bitcoin, for instance, this is a great way in order to get Bitcoin into your account. It's a simple way to deposit Bitcoin potentially from another wallet that you already have. Now you can send Bitcoin, you can see your address and send Bitcoin right to this account, so you'll have Bitcoin. They do also offer some buy crypto, so you can buy Bitcoin with things like your credit card right here by just clicking on buy Bitcoin, and that Bitcoin will be deposited into your Waves account as well. So there's two ways that you can get Bitcoin into your account, and you can also do the same thing with Waves, so you have some Waves for your fees. We also will issue some Waves in the Getting Started packages. So if you have no Waves, you can purchase the Getting Started Hash and Ad Space package, and we will give you a Waves bonus just to help anyone who's getting started in Waves with enough to cover your fees. Now, with that said, we're going to head to the Trading tab, and on the Trading tab, we need to come up and we want to be able to trade in community mode. So we need to select community mode, and then we can search for ASIMI. When the ASIMI pair comes up, we'll be trading ASIMI Bitcoin right here. And if you're unfamiliar with an exchange altogether, over on the left we have the sell orders and the buy orders for ASIMI that are placed there waiting. Over here we have the different trading pairs that you can select from, and down the bottom here, this is where we can actually complete our trade. So you can buy ASIMI, meaning that you can exchange your Bitcoin for ASIMI tokens, or you can sell ASIMI, meaning that you could exchange your ASIMI and receive Bitcoin in return. And so in this example, we're going to buy some ASIMI tokens, and so you can see the price right here for ASIMI, and someone is willing to sell their ASIMI tokens right here, 7,000 of them for this price. So if we want to immediately buy ASIMI, then we could click on that and you'll see it will automatically populate right here. So let's say with the small amount of Bitcoin that we have in this example, we want to buy 100 ASIMI tokens. So you can set the amount that you want to buy at that price. Now you can set any price that you choose. You could try and buy lower down here or right in the middle. You can choose any price that you like right here, but this simple way to do it is just to click on the closest order, and like I said, it auto populates there. You can see the exchange fee, very low fee, but we do need those small amounts of Waves. And then if we click right here, buy ASIMI, we are ready to go, and we will purchase some ASIMI tokens immediately. You can see that the order is placed, and if we head back to the wallet and we come to internal transactions, you can see right here I've purchased my ASIMI Bitcoin plus 100 ASIMI for the amount of Bitcoin that I've purchased. So now if we come back to the trading, I'll just show you the exact opposite effect, where we can do exactly the same thing, where we can sell our ASIMI tokens for a price as well. So if we want to sell some ASIMI tokens, we could put the price in, put the amount of ASIMI that we want to sell. So let's say we want to sell them at the same price, just for this illustration purposes, and we can click on sell ASIMI tokens. And by doing that, now we've created an order, and when somebody wants to buy the ASIMI tokens, they'll purchase the ASIMI tokens from us, and we will get the Bitcoin. If I scroll back up, we'll see the Bitcoin back in our wallet. So I hope that was helpful. That's a quick rundown on how you can buy and sell ASIMI tokens at the Waves exchange. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in coming videos.